All right, Savory Eats Wednesday, 10 April 2024. I'm Tanis Leonhardi, she, her, hers of Seattle. And I've got, my dad has this mini bagel sandwich recipe he does for church sometimes. And he decided to check it out. And he does mini bagel breakfast sandwich. And he did it with full size, or regular size, I should say, Franz bagels this time at home to see if he liked it. And I think it's for a different church group this time, just for men. There's a men's group, and then there's like the Sunday club grub stuff. And so this is for just for men's group. Which, yes, a lot of women like the mini size, so this time the men get the full size, you know, regular size. So we have half of one of the, you know, trial batch left. So here's the inside. There's everything seasoning on top. It's a Franz regular size plain bagel. Regular size Franz plain bagel. A link to my playlist with me eating Franz items in the video description. There's eggs, bacon bits, cheese, and cream cheese. It's good. I kind of like it more than the mini bagels. Especially if hungry. One bagel, you know. Double the calories. Can put more filling in too. The filling doesn't fall out as much as with the mini bagels. It's has more textural variation. Where the mini bagels just kind of get crisp. It's a soft and crisp kind of thing. I'm Tanis Leonhardi, she, her, hers of Seattle. And I do like this. So he's preparing it for men's group. But I don't really go to church. I'm like, any leftovers? When they get back. And this one we can make about Sarah Sjostrom. I'm her biographer. So I said, let's see. My biography, the content is race/ethnicity and gender. And then overtone of sexual orientation and undertone of socioeconomic class for Sarah Sjostrom. And the rest of my biographies, people I'm biographer for, who I've named on this channel previously. The content is race/ethnicity and gender, like who the person is. And then there's an overtone and an undertone. And so for Sarah Sjostrom, the biography for me, Tanis Leonhardi, she, her, hers of Seattle. Tanis Coralee Leonhardi, she, her, hers of Seattle. Her overtone is physique, and her undertone is age. Oh. We're both Scandinavian. She's a Scandinavian goddess. I gotta make sure that comes through in the book. With the couch there being, there aren't very many of us Scandinavians in the world. Scandinavians. So for a lot of the world, they might not see it whatsoever. The gods of different people resonate with those people, not necessarily people who are not. So a lot of people can't see the beauty of Sarah Schuster because they ain't Scandinavian. So there we go. 64 out of 10. So thank you for joining me for one half Savory. Savory eats one half a breakfast bagel sandwich. It was a Franz bagel. Wow.